Hey YouTube, it's your girl Adrina. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these voluminous curls in your Love Me lace wig. So if you want to see, stick around and check it out. My birthday is coming up at the end of next week and I wanted some birthday hair, so what better place to go than to Love Me. This is a straight wig, but I definitely wanted some volume and body for my birthday so it can just flow. This wig is in the color chestnut brown. It already came this color. I didn't have to do anything to it. 18-inch lace front wig. It is 180 density. I love the way that it came, but it is my birthday in another week or two, so I wanted to have some birthday hair. I'm sure you ladies can feel me, who doesn't want to look good on their birthday? So I had to go to LuvMeHair, of course. This time it came with this knot wig healer, and I will use this forever. I will show you guys how to apply it. It is a stick on one side, looks like a foundation stick. You know, one side it looks like a foundation stick. Mine is all messed up because I've used it on a few wigs I had. And the other side is a brush. And I will show you guys how to use that. And I will show you guys how to get these voluminous curls. So all I'm going to do is pop off the top. Here's what it looks like. It looks like a foundation stick. And on the other side is a brush. I do believe I did look up some YouTube videos. Now I didn't cut the lace, so I'm not going to do it on this part. I'm only going to apply it to the part where I'm going to be parting. This time I'm going to wear it in the middle. Next time I'll probably wear it on the side. So I'm just going to do the whole thing. Now this is, I don't want to put too much. This is a lace front wig, so you only need it in the front. But if you have a full lace wig, you can put it wherever you want. Now I'm just going to do a little to start with because I never used this before. Then I'm going to open up the other side. And it's a brush. So now I'll open the other side and there's a brush on that side. So I'm just going to take the brush and like swirl that all over the lace, like going in a circular motion. So here it is. Here is the final product. You do see like a few dots like where I first put the dot, but that shouldn't affect it at all. Like I said, put dots in certain places, then press down, turning in circles, evenly distributing the knot healer all over your unit, all over the lace. If you have a lace front, you'll just do the front. If you have a full lace, feel free to do the whole thing. It's not wiping off on my hand, so it dries right away, so that's a good thing. It's not going to rub off on your stocking cap or on your head, even though it's a harmless product. All I did was applied a little amount, which you guys saw, and this is it. I am happy with that. So this is the after the knot healer. Now let's get into these curls. Now I'm just going to tie my silk scarf around the front. I don't want to go like this. I'm going all the way down to where it is glued at so it can stay that way. And I'm going to leave that as long as I can. And then when I get like halfway or to the front, I'll take it off to curl the front. But I want to make sure that it is adhered down. Now I'm not taking small pieces. I'm doing rather large pieces. I'm curling it away from my face. I'm not looking for the wand curl or the curling iron look. I'm just looking to give this hair some more volume and some body, so it doesn't have to be all perfect. So this is what one of the curls look like. I'm going to do this throughout the head, and I'll catch you guys when I'm at the top. Majority of it curled. I just have a little piece at the top. I was saving that for when I take my scarf off, so let's go ahead and take that off. So I basically did like 95% of my head. I have like 2 curls left on each side. I went and finessed my baby hair. Didn't do my baby hair on camera because that's optional. Some ladies like it and some don't. So I'm just gonna split that into 2 and finish curling the top. And remember, we're curling away from the face. Let's see, look at my mirror. That's basically all we want. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna comb it out. If it's loud in here, the yard guy is out there. He's close to my door. Now what you want to do is you can get a comb, you can get a paddle brush, whatever you choose to use. I'm going to use this paddle brush. That out. And look how big and voluminous now that looks. I don't have flat hair anymore. This is like super va-va-voom. Like I said, I was kind of going for the Farrah Fawcett look. Let's brush out this side. And then when you're done, you could light it, you could spray it with a little bit of hairspray, like just mist it. But there you go, and you have this look. Let me know what you guys are thinking of this style. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, as well as let me know what you guys think about this color. I think it sold out once before. They're back in stock, so make sure you check out LuvMeHair. Thumbs up this video, all that good stuff. And in the next video, I see you guys. I will not be 34. I will be 35. I'm getting old, but yeah, if you're not a subby, sub. Hit the thumbs up, and until next time.